Hello everyone, welcome to the Online Paatashala. Today we are going to learn a new topic about hybridization, and this hybridization is going to be very interesting, and it is the most important topic of chemical bonding, and you will be asking many questions from this, and today we will be learn about hybridization. This is the definition of hybridization. This definition is most important definition. What? Hybridization is defined as the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies. That means this atomic orbitals which are intermixing will be having slightly different energies, okay, and after intermixing these atomic orbitals you will be forming a new set of hybrid orbitals, and these hybrid orbitals will be having equal energies. Before intermixing, the atomic orbitals will be having different energies. After intermixing, it will be forming a new set of hybrid orbitals, and these hybrid orbitals will be having equal energies. What is the definition? Hybridization is defined as the process of intermixing of atomic orbitals of slightly different energies so as to redistribute. That means it will redistribute its energies and form a new set of hybrid orbitals, and these hybrid orbitals will be having equal energies. And please do note it down, this definition, and it is most important definition. Okay, now we will see hybridization. What are the features and what this hybridization actually involves? And these hybridization, by doing this hybridization, you can know a molecule's shape. What is the shape of a molecule? And you can tell the bond angles of that particular molecule. For suppose H2O, it's a water molecule, right? This is a water molecule, and this water molecule, just know that water. Do you know that water is having its shape? And water is even having a bond angle, and this all explanation was given in hybridization, and this hybridization was first was introduced by Pauling. Who was introduced? Pauling has given the hybridization concept, okay. And other thing, as if in the definition we have learned that atomic orbitals and hybrid orbitals, right? These atomic orbitals which are intermixing should be involved with same atom, okay. In atom, orbitals will be present, right? These intermixing, as we have learned in the definition, the intermixing of atomic orbitals, right? That intermixing of atomic orbitals should be done with the same atom, and it forms a hybrid orbitals, okay, understood? And another most important point is electrons will not undergo hybridization. Orbitals takes part in hybridization. Understood? Electrons will not undergo hybridization. Only orbitals will be hybridized and forms a hybrid orbitals. And another most important thing is completely filled orbitals or half filled or empty orbitals will be participating in hybridization. What? Completely filled orbitals, half filled orbitals or empty orbitals will be participating in hybridization. Okay, and these orbitals should be having different energies. These orbitals, whatever it is participating in hybridization, should be having different energies. What is? See, there is a difference between orbital and a orbit. Okay, orbital is different and orbit is different. Okay, you just don't confuse of this orbital and orbit. Orbit, you can either call it as shell. Understood? You can either call it as shell. And these are the few points which you need to know before going into this hybridization. Okay, in these hybridizations you are having different types. Those are sp, sp2, sp3, sp3d, sp3d2, sp3d3. Okay, these are the different types of hybridization. How many hybrid? See, we are talking that hybrid orbitals are formed, right? How many hybrid orbitals are formed? That will be equals to the atomic. How many atomic orbitals? How many atomic orbitals are there? That many hybrid orbitals will be present. For suppose, think s orbital is there and p orbital is there. That means one s orbital and one p orbital is undergoing hybridization. Okay. See, for one s orbital is there and one p orbital is. These are atomic orbitals. These are atomic orbitals. Okay. These atomic orbitals undergo hybridization and gives hybrid orbitals. These atomic orbitals undergo hybridization and gives hybrid orbitals. Here one s orbital is there and one p orbital is there and it gives two sp hybrid orbitals. That means the sum of the atomic orbitals will be giving the number of hybrid orbitals. Okay, this is a silent features and what is being involved in the hybridization, and we will be detailedly going on each and every hybridization with an example and how this hybridization is going on and how atomic orbitals are being hybridized and how it is forming a hybrid orbital, and again how the shape is going on and what is the bond angle, how do you calculate that bond angle, and these all we will be learning in the next session. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Online Paatashala.